you're ready, go ahead.
Ever wonder what a world without farming would be like? Imagine riding in the car and seeing no crops or cool animals. Grocery stores would be empty, ice cream wouldn't be available, and clothing with wool wouldn't be a thing. That could be life in the future if we don't act now.
First problem to solve is for every 4 farmers in Pennsylvania over 65, there's only 1 farmer under the age of 35, meaning at this rate we won't have a lot of farmers in the future. One way to solve this problem is to start classes for agriculture to encourage young people to be farmers. There aren't many schools in the PA area that emphasize the importance of farming and the impact it could have if we don't do something now. We probably have so many kids in our district that come before us we might have been interested in farming and missed the opportunity to become one and help the community because they weren't taught the importance of farming.
Another problem is the amount of food that is currently being grown will only feed half of the world's projected 9.8 billion people in 2050. That means we won't have enough food to feed every person on Earth if we don't do something. The population of people are increasing fast and the amount of food grown and livestock is decreasing. What farmers are growing needs to increase so people don't starve in the future. We can expand the amount of land by tearing down abandoned buildings and creating greenhouses with all the abandoned buildings. The things that went out of business here in our town could make so much room for useful things instead of either letting them sit and grow dust and spider webs or turning them into fast food places. We can make something better and something that has more meaning and not making junk that's unhealthy for us and the area.
One other problem is pollution. There are lots of bad gases that can pollute the air from things such as cars, buses, and trains. To fix this problem, we can turn cow waste, which is a major source of carbon pollution, into a useful fuel. This would provide a new source of natural gas that would replace sturdier fuels like coal and oil, which would keep our air fresh and clean. We hope to make most farms zero carbonated.
Farming in our world is endangered and we need to make that a bigger deal. Make sure you spread the word, raise awareness, and educate younger people on the importance of farming.